Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use coins on AliExpress. First of all, open the any web browser and move into the site aliexpress.com. It will land you on its interface. First thing first, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go back and right, you will get to see the option of coins. Head over to it. It will land you on this interface. You can see that I have 0 coins right now. In order to get some coins, tap on collect right here. You can see that we have collected some coins. Now scroll down and you will get to see different items where you can use the coins. Head over to any of the items that you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this product. Tap on it. Right here it says extra 5% off. It means that if you have enough coins, you will be able to get the 5% off in this product. If you have enough coins and you want to use it, then tap on buy now. So basically when you buy this product, you will automatically get the discount with the help of your coins that you have. You don't have to move into any other process in order to use the coins. Just buy the product and the value of the coin will be added to your product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.